Hey gang, Tom with Enduro Wiki here, coming to talk to you again about the 2024 Beta 300 RR Race Edition. We've been going through some issues with it in the past couple of weeks here, and I'd like to talk to you about what we've been experiencing. Issues of no start and really bad running when it was running. Pops, bangs, backfires, the bike would just eventually conk out and not run at all. We would pull the plugs, clean the plugs would be wet and somewhat fouled, put the plugs back in the bike, and the bike would run fine for a couple of minutes. We believe that maybe some water got into the fuel or something else happened to start breaking down the resistors in the internals in the original factory plugs. They are the MR7 BI8s. They are an Iridium plug. They're a very fine wire plug at the end. And what we did was we replaced them out for another model of plug that burns at the same temperature and seems to be a non-resistor plug and does not go high impedance and have a minimal spark when it gets warm. They are an NGK plug as well. They are the CR7Es. They are the same thread, the same overall diameter. The only thing is you need the top clip placed on top of them, as they do not come with them in the packaging. And that's something that you can just get off of another spark plug. So hopefully that cures it for everybody. This is what cured it for us, but I'd love if you guys would go down in the comments and post some of the solutions and things you've experienced and what plugs you have found to work with these bikes.